Hi, hello mga channel. I'm Prof. Bunny and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorial. No? Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about Java, no? Using the switch. Pero bago lahat, nais ko muna magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga viewers, ng mga nag-likes and shares, and most of all, sa mga nag-subscribe. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo ay hindi naging success yung ating online tutorial. So, thank you sa mga 50,000 viewers na tuloy-tuloy yung ating tinatawag nating success sa ating YouTube channel. Okay? So, let's get started. Okay, so yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about Java programming using the switch. Okay? So, kung makikita natin sa ating screen or working area, yung ating Java compiler. Okay, so dito sa upper right side, so lagi kong pinapakita yan, meron tayong mga iba't ibang mga languages na pwede natin gagamitin. But this time, we're going to use the Java. Okay, ngayon, kung compare natin yung switch in C++, meron lang ang pagkakaiba dun sa tinatawag nating output, no? Sa C++, gumagamit tayo ng cout, while in dito sa Java, yung system.out.println. Okay? So, let's get started. Dito, no? So, public. Ito naman public. Okay? So, class. Okay? Main. Then, we have the curly braces. Okay? So, public. Palagay natin agad. Public. Static. Void. Main. Okay? Then, open and close parenthesis. Then, maglalagay tayo ng string. Then, yung dalawang solid na open and close. Okay? Then, sa dulo, lalagay natin ng args and followed by the open curly braces. So, meron na tayong dalawa. Then, again, enter. So, in, okay, day, then equals to number 4, for example, and with the semicolon. Kasi yung number 4, represent dyan sa Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Number 4. So, kung maglalagay tayo ng day, number 3, so Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Right? So, this time, gagamitin natin yung switch. Okay? Then, open and close. Siyempre, yung gagamitin natin, yung mga day. And, another one, maglalagay tayo ng open curly braces. Okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito, no, lalagay tayo ng case. Okay, so enter. Case number 1. So, lagyan natin is number 1. So, hit natin enter. Then, system.out.print line. So, ln, open by open and close parenthesis. We have the double quote. Then, ilalagay natin inside kung ano yung gusto nating i-display with the semicolon. Then, so, kailangan natin the break. Right. So, meron tayong case number 1. Kaya kung halimbawa, ilalagay natin yung number 1, once na-run natin yung program, dapat makikita natin yung Monday. Right? Ngayon, ang gagawin dito guys, copy-paste na lang siya, no? Control-C. Okay, so, enter, Control-V, enter, Control-V, enter, Control-V, enter, Control-V, enter, Control-V. So, tingnan muna natin kung ano siya, no? Case number 1, Monday. And case number 2, dala natin siya ng Tuesday. Then case number, so dito pala, no? So, backspace. Lalagay natin yung, alright. So, case number 2. And dito naman, case number 3. So, yung number 3, ito yung Wednesday. Case number 3, so we have case number 4. This is the Thursday. Okay. Enter natin ulit. Control B. So case number 5, represent to sa Friday. Then again, enter. Control B. Case number 6. And we have the Saturday. Then again, enter. Control B. Case number 7. So, nagre-represent siya ng Sunday. Okay. So, kompleto na tayo ng Monday, Tuesday. O, bakit ano siya? Case number 1, Monday. Case number 2. Okay, so listen natin itong iba. Okay. Alright, so case number 2, Tuesday. So, i-align natin. Okay, so case number 1, Monday. Case number 2, Tuesday. Case number 2, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, meron parang letter A. Case number 3, Wednesday. Case number 4, Thursday. Case number 5, Friday. Case number 6, Saturday. Case number 7, Sunday. So, once i-run natin yung program, dapat merong either Monday, Tuesday, no? Ayun tayo makikita. So, Monday, kasi ang nakalagay dito guys sa int days number 1. Kaya pagkalibuan, nilagay natin siya ng number 6. So, dito sa ating program, yung case number 6 is Saturday. So, once nirun yung program, meron tayong Thursday, Saturday. Okay? Again, pag nilagay natin yung yung number 7, for example, lagay natin siya ng number 4. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, dapat Thursday. Okay, so Thursday. So, ganun lang simple guys, how to use switch in Java programming. So, yung mga previous lesson ko, no, nakapost na kung paano gawin yung switch using the C++. So, next time, ang gagawin naman natin yung switch using the C#. Okay? So, that's all guys, how to use switch in Java programming. Okay? Thank you and see you on my next tutorial. So, bye-bye.